Welcome back to our channel, Coding Pills. Just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. Today, we are going to implement a very interesting question that is write a Java program to count numbers of even and odd element in an array. That means you might be thinking it's a easy program, but it's actually easy program because when the word is coming even and odd, we will be thinking about the it's a very easy program. And the dopamine, our dopamine will like the yes, I can solve this easy. Let's come and solve these programs. So first of all, we just have to create our own array and the name of the array ARR, and then just take some random values. Just take 2, 5, 2, 5, then 7, then 8, then 10, then 13, then 14, and just end with the curly braces and the symbol semicolon. Okay. Now to counting the even or odd element, we need our two variables. If we want to just take the even, then we need only one variable. But here we need our two variables. Let's take even count. What you going to count is equal to 0. The initial value of even count is 0. And then just take odd count is equal to 0. The initial values of the both is 0. And when they are calculating the values, it would be increasing how many even and odd is present. We can use the for loop. That is also one way, but here we just use that for each loop. That means it will be very much easy. Just take for each and just take int num inside of num. The all values is from this num column is equal to ARR. The whatever the values is present in ARR, whatever the element is present in ARR, it will be come to the num over here. Okay, it will come to the num over here. And just inside of this, the our logic part. We solve this kind of problems multiple times, and whenever you are checking the even and odd in that time, so obviously you are doing this. So just take here if num percentile 2 is equal to 0. If it's satisfied, then just count even count plus and end with semicolon. And else else just odd count plus. Else you just have to count odd plus. So that means our program is done. Just we have to just printing the values. How many odd numbers and even numbers. Just take this out. Sorry, cancel this out and just total total even number numbers and just printing the values. Just take even count here. And just again, we just have to take one more system.out SYSOUT is out total odd numbers, NUMBERS numbers, and just print the values odd count over here. See, our program is actually very easy, and you can easily to solve this. And just run it and check how much, what we will be getting. See, we will getting the total even numbers is 4 and the total odd number is 3. That means, is it right or not? Just come here and check. The 2 is divisible by total. That means 2 is even number. Then 5 is not divisible by 2, that means it will be not a even number, but it will be a odd number. 7 is not divisible by 2, that means 7 is a odd number. But 8 is divisible by 2, that means 8 is a even number. And 10 is also divisible by 2. But the 13 is not, that means 13 is a odd number. The 14 is divisible by 2, that means 14 is the even numbers. That means that means our program is working fine and you might be getting happy. Sometimes whenever you're solving the one single coding, you feel the more excited and more relaxing. But if you're not, but don't worry. In that time, just take a break and just take a cup of coffee and come back and solving the coding problems. I'm your host, MD Anas. That's all about in this videos. Thank you for watching Coding Pills. Just like taking small pills of knowledge every day